Okay, students. So here we are taking the another type of our epithelium. That is our lecture number 3. That is the compound or stratified epithelium. Now, when we say something is compound, complex, it means अभी तक हमने single layer of cells की बात की थी, but now we are going to talk about many layers of cells, multiple layers of cells. That type of epithelium which is having multiple layers of cells, many layers, they are known as compound or stratified epithelium. This compound or stratified epithelium, it is of 3 types, but that 3 types depending on the shape of the cells. If cells are flat, definitely if cells are flat, we are going to call them as the simple, right? We are not going to call them as the simple because now the layers are many, so we are going to call them stratified squamous epithelium. But cells are flat, so we will call them squamous. So but stratified, why stratified? Because they are now multiple layer. But always remember bacha, that where the basement membrane will be present only and only in the lower cells, right? As you move further, you move towards the exposed area, there will be no basement membrane. They are not having basement membrane. Basement membrane is only present at the base. Now, they are stratified squamous epithelium, that is of 2 types, which this part is asked in actually NEET portion, right? Keratinized and non-keratinized. Because strata means many layers actually. Strata का मतलब ही यही होता है many layers. So अगर ये layers के अंदर जो cells हैं, if they have keratin, if they have keratin is a protein, right? If keratin is deposited in the upper layers, then those cells are known as keratinized stratified epithelium. If there is not keratin is present, then they are known as non keratinized epithelium. So basically keratinized and not keratinized is only basis of that if keratin is deposit और या फिर ये एब्सेंट है. अब कैरेटिन की ज़रूरत कहाँ कहाँ रहती है? कैरेटिन इज़ एक्चुअली डिपॉजिटेड इन द अपर लेयर्स, and those layers, if it is deposited in the upper layers, it become very that surface become very hard. Just right now touch your palm and your sole. If you touch your skin, you will observe that they are thicker, right? If you just touch them, they are hard, they are little thicker as compared to the other portions of your body. So that these areas, they have keratinized squamous epithelium. Non-keratinized, that is only these are multiple layers, so they are only for protection but without any keratin. So cornea of eye, inner side of lips, vagina, foreskin होता है tip of penis, the skin which is present at the tip of penis, that is called basically foreskin. Anal canal, some part of cervix, they do not have keratin deposit in them, but they have many layers, so that is why they are known as non-keratinized squamous epithelium. Second type is stratified. First was the stratified squamous epithelium, second type is stratified cuboidal epithelium, जिसमें cells जो हैं they are cube like. But these actually, the cuboidal epithelium, the name given is only because of the lower cells, because once you start moving to the upper area, the cells start becoming the flat, right? So mainly lower cells, they are more cuboidal here. Stratified, why stratified? Because they are present in many layers. Now where will you find these stratified cuboidal epithelium? They are generally found in the lining of ducts of salivary glands, mammary glands, pancreatic ducts. There you will find the cuboidal epithelium. The last one is stratified columnar epithelium. Stratified columnar means cells are very tall, right? Very tall, column like. But again, always remember that lower cells, they are, if there is another layer, cells will become less, less short in height. More the lower cells, they are look like column like. This time, usually we always do mistakes here in the example. Stratified columnar epithelium you will find in those areas where friction is very maximum. If you anal part, pharynx, जहाँ पे chewing, swallowing, lot of movement is there, lot of friction is there, you will find there. Conjunctiva of the eye, there is the you will find stratified columnar epithelium. Same जैसे हमने बोला था absorption में आपको finger like मिलेंगे cells. So you have to understand their work, that what is their work. Only then you will be able to solve the questions based on these stratified columnar epithelium, or basically epithelium based questions. Otherwise you are going to make lots of mistakes. So you have to be very careful when you are attempting for the MCQs, that which option is according to the which epithelium, right? So this was about our stratified epithelium, which is of three types. First is the squamous, very flat layers. Then is the cuboidal, which is found in the mammary glands, mainly in the ducts and the pancreatic ducts. And third, where lots of friction is there. So next in the next lecture we will start with the cell junctions, right? And we will discuss few more points.